Namaste to all. My name is Khadija and welcome to my channel Pearl Yoga 9. Now, we are going to do a practice that is a Chakki Chalan Asana. This practice is very good for the diabetes, digestive disorder, PCOD and obesity. For this practice, please keep your legs straight, apart as much as you can. Stretch your hands and interlock your fingers. Bend forward if you can touch your toes with your fingers. Then with normal breathing, rotate your body from left to right. Lean back as much as you can. And throughout the practice, keep your hands straight, don't bend. Now we will do 10 rounds with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do this practice twice a day, morning and evening with empty stomach. Thank you very much.